Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face recognition and attendance system. We have come across many libraries, many modules through which we have seen plenty of videos on machine learning using Python, such as CNN. We have seen image classification, then facial emotion recognition classification using Keras. We have seen using CNN model. Then we have seen DLIB, face recognition using DLIB. Then we have seen facial emotion recognition using DLIB, and many fear model. We have seen plenty of videos on fear model with facial emotion recognition using fear library. We have seen VGGFace library, many videos, like I'm not sure, plenty of videos I have done on VGGFace, but my latest video of fast face recognition using VGGFace, that became very good. Then right now I have come across plenty of videos on MTCNN. I have done many videos on MTCNN and little bit FaceNet. I have done few videos on FaceNet, and at the most VGGFace 2 library. This library is not that much, it takes well time to do videos on VGGFace 2 library. It takes some time, but still I am back with new video on VGGFace 2 library. Video is about face verification using VGGFace 2 model. I have done one video long back ago using VGGFace 2 model, but that program was a little bit complex. Today I am back with new creative video of face verification using VGGFace 2 model, but in simpler manner. So let us go through the program first. This is all about the code. Keras and this matplotlib and here we are use VGGFace weight 5 for face. This part is very important for this video. Now here I have taken two images, Sanjay JPG and SRK. Both images are different. We will see that SRK is there. These images of actor, and these images of mine. Okay, now I will execute the program. The answer should come, face are not similar, face are not same. Let us see what happens. Yes, they are not of same person. Here we can see they are not of same person. Now what I will do, I will take image of mine. This image I have taken, Sanjay 1. Now I will execute the program. JPG. Yes, constant similarity, they are same. So I successfully done with face verification using using VGGFace model. We are showing you right now, just now shown you. Here this file is very important for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with MTCNN, then FaceNet, and if possible VGGFace 2. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on sanjaymahajan youtube.com. Thanks for watching.